This is Census, bringing you the latest news on the Middle East war. There has been a large-scale airstrike by Israeli forces in the area near northern Tehran, Jafaringi. So far, the Israeli military has dropped more than 10,000 bombs and missiles, targeting over 2,200 Iranian military facilities. In Tehran, a pro-government rally was held, and some people were seen holding pictures of Ali Khamenei. The Israeli military also struck defense facilities, hitting a missile production site in Tabriz. Currently, the United States and Israel are operating in the Strait of Hormuz to block Iran's maritime disruption. Is this to prevent Iran from using the strait as a future strategic hostage? A top Israeli official said the war aims to stop Iran's disruption strategy in the Strait of Hormuz and eliminate its future disruption capabilities. The U.S. Institute for the Study of War warns that if the Strait of Hormuz isn't secured in this war, Iran could use it as a stronger bargaining chip later. Israel continues to attack Iran's missile bases, air force bases, air defense systems, and weapons production facilities. In particular, this time they attacked the Shiraz Air Force Base, successfully destroying 2 C-130 transport planes, 1 Il-76 transport plane, and 10 hangars. In Holon, Israel, an Iranian missile hit a residential area, starting a fire that firefighters are now extinguishing. Iran has launched a total of 9 missile attacks on Israel. During this process, cluster munitions landed in central Israel, causing significant civilian casualties. Due to Iran's missile attacks, there has been major damage in central Israel. According to the Iranian Revolutionary Guard, Iran attacked 100 key locations in Israel using Khorramshahr-4 missiles. The Israeli Ministry of Health reported 192 hospitalizations in the past 24 hours, with 4 seriously injured and most having minor injuries. According to Al Jazeera, the Israeli military bombed the village of Samar, located in the eastern part of the Bekaa Valley, for the second time this morning. This attack occurred shortly after the Israeli military carried out 2 airstrikes on the village of Yomor in the Bekaa Valley. This is Lebanon. In southern Lebanon, the Israeli military carried out simultaneous airstrikes and ground operations targeting Hezbollah. In particular, the Israeli Army's 36th Division is conducting intensive ground operations in southern Lebanon, and it has been reported that they are increasing their troop numbers in Lebanon. There was also an Israeli airstrike in the Beirut area of Lebanon, with black smoke covering the entire village. In this process, at least 6 people were killed and 24 were injured. In Beirut, Lebanon, an Israeli airstrike completely destroyed a building. In another video, you can see the lower part of the building collapsing right after the Israeli airstrike in Beirut. Israel confirmed and considered the chance of the Iranian regime collapsing after leaders like Ali Larijani died. Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi told Al Jazeera that after the war, a new Strait of Hormuz agreement is needed to ensure safe passage under specific conditions. He also rejected a ceasefire for now. The Iranian judiciary-affiliated news agency Mazan reported on Wednesday that Iran executed a man who was charged with espionage for Israel. Currently, Russia is actively supporting Iran by continuously providing satellite services, assisting with drone technology and tactics, and helping to improve the performance of Shahed drones. The UAE has shown a willingness to participate in the US-led Hormuz security cooperation, making it the first among America's allies to respond positively. The International Maritime Organization plans a special assembly to discuss how US and Israeli attacks on Iran in the Gulf region affect shipping and seafarers. If more news comes up, I'll make and upload another video. Thanks for watching.